a 7.6 out of 10. That's the number the CineTech Data-Driven AI Analytics system landed on for the Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and honestly, it should be higher. But Motorola keeps shooting itself in the foot with the same problems year after year. If you've ever wanted a near flagship phone and don't want to pay flagship prices, stick around. Like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So let's talk about what this phone actually can do, because on paper it is stacked. You've got 125W wired charging. That's faster than most flagship phones. A 6.7-inch P-OLED running at 144 Hz. A triple camera with a proper 3x optical zoom. IP68 waterproofing. And a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip. All of that at a mid-range price that most people walk straight past because the name Motorola doesn't get the hype it deserves. That's where we start, what this phone can actually handle. For daily stuff, social media, streaming, browsing, this is a 9. Smooth, fast, no lag anywhere. The 144 Hz display makes everything feel buttery, and the screen itself is genuinely beautiful. 2000 nits of peak brightness, Pantone-validated colors, and a curved edge design that actually makes it comfortable to hold. Photography is an 8. The main 50MP camera is excellent in good light, and the 3x optical zoom is a standout feature at this price. Low light is decent, but not class-leading. Gaming comes in at a 7. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 handles most titles well, but it's not a gaming chip, and you'll feel it in the most demanding titles. 4K video is a 7 too. Solid, but nothing that will make you forget you paid mid-range money. Now let's get into the daily performance. And this is where the Edge 50 Pro earns most of its score. That 125W charging is genuinely insane. We're talking 0 to 100 in around 18 to 20 minutes. In a world where most phones still ship with 25W or 45W charging, this feels like cheating. Battery life scores a 7. The 4,500 mAh cell is fine for a day of moderate use, but real users report it drains faster than you'd expect under heavy loads. Wireless charging is here too at 50W, which is a bonus at this price. The display gets a 9. It genuinely beats phones costing twice as much in brightness and color accuracy. Raw chip performance lands at a 7, quick and capable, but not a benchmark monster. Here's where things get honest, and this is the user experience section. The software is where Motorola fumbles this phone. Hello UI on top of Android 14 is mostly clean and close to stock, which is great. But during setup, Motorola forces you to install apps you didn't ask for. Facebook, games, third-party junk, and you can't skip it. Ads show up in system apps if you don't opt out carefully. That is not acceptable on a phone at this price, and it drags the software score down to a 6. Build quality is a 9. IP68 waterproofing, vegan leather back, aluminum frame, and it's genuinely one of the best-feeling phones in this range. The in-display fingerprint sensor scores a 7. Works reliably, but not the fastest. Speaker quality is a 7. Loud stereo sound, but lacking real depth. Who is this phone actually for? Content consumers score a 9 here. This display and those speakers are made for watching video. Value hunters score an 8. 125W charging, IP68, and a 3x zoom at mid-range pricing is a hard deal to beat. Everyday users score a 7. It's a great daily driver as long as you clean up the bloatware on day 1. Power users land at a 6. If you need serious gaming headroom or guaranteed long-term software support, the 3-year Android update promise will bother you. Samsung and Google are both offering 7 years now. 3 years on a phone you're expected to keep for 2 to 3 years is tight. So is the Motorola Edge 50 Pro worth it? The CineTech score lands at 7.6 out of 10. The hardware is genuinely class-leading at this price. That 125W charging alone is worth the conversation. But Motorola keeps attaching the same old baggage. Forced bloatware, short update support, and battery drain that doesn't match the fast charging story. Buy this phone, spend 30 minutes cleaning it up on day 1, and you've got one of the most underrated mid-range phones of the year. Check the best price from the link in the description. Hit like, subscribe to CineTech, and we'll see you in